You guys, I am so excited to finally make this venison chili. Now what I'm missing is a bell pepper. My recipe called for a bell pepper and I don't have one, but I'm sure that's not going to make a big deal, right? So we're going to do what we do. Improvise, omit, add, whatever we have to do. Start these vegetables in the pan. Let those get sauteed down. Then we're going to add the venison to that, along with our seasonings. And go from there. Right, we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil for the pan. Let that heat up and add our vegetables. I'm going to add our chopped vegetables into a hot pan. Saute those for 2 to 3 minutes. Our venison. From what I'm hearing, venison is a very lean meat. So I may have to put a little more oil in here. I may actually put some butter in here. I don't know. A little cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, adobo, and black pepper. We are seasoning this to taste. Good. I am putting a tablespoon of butter in there. I don't know why I feel like butter should go in there. I don't know why. Because it's not oily at all. The oil I use for the vegetables is gone. The meat is not putting out any oil. Mixed garlic. Gotta do garlic in there. All I remember is season it well. Right now it's smelling really good. It doesn't smell gamey at all to me. Smells good. we are going to add our no salt added diced tomatoes. And it took about 6 minutes, 7 minutes for that venison to cook, to get done. I'm going to the food bank tomorrow. I may get some more of that, depending on what it tastes like today, right? You know what? Because that didn't have any salt in it, and I'm going to add some more of my seasonings. Okay, I'm going to add a little more seasoning in here since we added those tomatoes. We do not want to lose our seasoning. I am going to add our pinto beans. I am not draining these. We're just going to put them in there with all the liquid. That's 2 cans of pinto beans. I am using 6 ounces of tomato paste to this recipe. When you put the paste in here, you gotta put 6 ounces of water. This will thicken it up. Stir this, get everything blended in. Okay, I am going to put the lid on here and let it simmer for about 30 minutes to an hour to make sure we got all the flavors blended in. Of course, we will check on it during that time. Ooh. See how it's thickened up? That's 10 minutes. 10 minutes of simmering. Oh, that looks beautiful. How does it taste? I don't know. I'm going to be surprised just like you guys, because I don't taste my food when I cook. I just wait till it's done. It's good. I think it's done. Oh, that looks so rich. Oh my gosh. Oh, it looks delicious. Oh, how about that?